Hello guys, I want to show you how to reset HTC phone. If you need by software, you want to go to the setting, all the way down to the account, all the way down to backup and reset. You want to put it to the reset phone. You can see if you need, you can erase all data and erase SD card. You press it OK. When you do that, it will be reset everything. This one is the software reset. If you need the hardware reset, you must turn off the phone first completely. After you turn off the phone, you press power. You can press the volume down and the power button in the same time. After you press it, you can see this kind of window. Then you can press volume down to go to the factory reset. After you go to the factory reset, you can press its power button. You can wait a minute or 2 minutes until it will be reset everything. This one, they show us it will be reset every data inside the phone. If the phone they have a lot of data, it takes sometimes a little time, but this one is clean. They don't have any problem with the phone. That's why it's very fast to reset the phone. It's coming, the logo. HTC is going, it's good. Be patient a little time. Sometimes takes time. Let me repeat for you. To go to the reset time, you can press the power button down plus the power button in the same times. After you see the logo, you leave the phone. Okay, it's coming, it's almost done. Go to the start button. You can select what kind of Wi-Fi you have. If you have just like mine, already I have it's already next. Not now. Oh, I need to easy setup, by the way. I don't need more things. Only my aim is to show you the hard reset for the HTC. Yeah. Finish. Yes. Okay. This one. So this one is a step to reset the phone, the hard reset.